And today I came also to take the review of my department, Social Justice and Empowerment. My name is Ramdas Athole. I am one of the MOS State Minister in Narendra Modi's government. And my department is Social Justice and Empowerment. I am basically from Republican Party of India. The Republican Party of India was founded by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. And I am the member of Rajya Sabha now, second time. First time I was the member of Rajya Sabha from 2014 to 2020, and now I am again elected as a member of Rajya Sabha from April 2020 to April 26 for 6 years. And my party is with NDA. My party is one of the member of National Democratic Alliance. And today, as a minister and as a party president, I came here. And I discussed with the officers of my department. And I get the information that 2014 to 2020, the state government's budget for scheduled castes was 41,067 crore. Last 6 years budget was 41,000 crore, 41,067 crore rupees. And central government's budget was 8,504. And total budget is near about 49,571 crore rupees for scheduled castes. The population of the scheduled caste is 15.4% is here, population, and the reservation to the scheduled caste is 15% in the state. And 2020 to 21, this year, the central budget was 1,075.39 crore rupees, and state budget was 7,756 state budget this year. The scholarship scheme is also, our ministry is also giving the scholarship. And now in the cabinet, our central government has taken the decision to allocate, the scheme was 59,000 crore rupees scheme for the scholarship for 5 years. And the share of the government of India was near about 35,500 crore rupees. And 60% budget should be given by the central, and 40% money should be from the state government in the scholarship, 60-40. Before that, only 30% money was giving from the central, and 70% money was from the state government last time. But now we have taken the decision 60% money from central government, and every year 5% will be increased. Now 60% is from the central this year. 21-22, 5% means 65. Then next year 70. Then next year 75. Then next year 80%. Then 80% maximum budget should be given from central government, and only 20% budget should be given by state government. This is also our scholarship scheme. Our ministry is also giving the overseas scholarship, 60 lakh, 70 lakh, 80 lakh, 90 lakh, 1 crore, means those students who want to go abroad. And near about 100 students we are giving the scholarship. And the state government is also giving the 20 lakh rupees to the students for a 2-year course. This is also the Telangana state scheme. And the scholarship in the state, the post-matric students are 2.5 lakh. Total students are 2.5 lakh. And pre-matric students are 45,000. They are from scheduled caste. And OBC pre-matric 32,096 students are there. And post-matric students are 1,86,790. 1,86,790 from the BC community. And EBC community, economically backward class, 32,326. And these all the students are getting the scholarship. The intercaste marriages are last year near about 907 marriages are there. And government and now the Telangana state government, the KCR's government has taken the decision to give the 2,500,000 rupees. Before that, only 50,000 rupees was given by the state government for this intercaste marriage. But now the state government has taken the decision. The state government is giving 2,50,000 rupees per couple. And my ministry, the Dr. Ambedkar Foundation is there. And Dr. Ambedkar Foundation is giving 2,50,000 rupees for intercaste marriage. The atrocity cases are, I take the information from the officers that 2017, near about 1,915 cases are there. 2017, 18, 1,938, 19, 2,240, and 20, this year, 2,322. And murders are in 17, 33 murders, 18, 42 murders, 19, 54 murders, and 20, 32 murders. And rape cases are 17, 231, 18, 262. The rape cases on Dalit women and Dalit girls, 17, 231, 18, 262, 19, 264, and 20, 280. 280 cases are there. And स्टेट का है, स्टेट का है. The hostels, I take the information that the government hostels are 201 for SC community, and that strength is 18,500 students. And BC students hostels are 278, and the student strength is 30,600. And ST community near about 153 hostels are there. And means that this is the information. And another subject is the farmers' agitation in Delhi. The last many days, the farmers are started their agitation. We have the sympathy of the farmers. And last many days, they are also sitting on the Delhi border, Sindhu border, and other borders also. And only they are demanding that we don't want these three laws, which laws was passed by the signature of the Honorable Mahamahim Rashtrapati ji. Then they are only demanding that you finish these laws. That is the demand of the farmers. But the government of India is also explaining them that these three laws are not opposing you. These three laws are developed your life. And you understand about the law, you study about the law. And government is also ready to amend the laws. But the leaders of the farmers, they are not ready. And therefore, I request to all the leaders, those who are also sitting there for the agitation, they want to finish the agitation. Now, on 15th, there is one meeting with Narendra Singh Tomar, and I have confidence that the leaders of the farmers, they should accept the proposal of the government of India, and this issue should be compromised. But if the law will be finished, then the democracy will be under the danger. Our democracy, there should be something problem for the constitution. And everybody should demand that the parliament will pass the law, and everybody will demand that no, we don't want this law. We don't want this law. But there is a provision of the amendment, and government of India is also ready to amend some points, which points the leaders of the farmers want. And therefore, this is the first agitation, the many days. This agitation is also going on. But only Punjab farmers are also very active in this agitation. Another all over India, the farmers are not so active. Many farmers are also supporting this law. And this law is not touching the MSP and APMC. This law is not dangerous for your land, and government has given the government has already honorable Prime Minister. There is a doubt to the farmers that the contractors should be encroach their land. That is also something problematic. They are thinking that if we will sell our fasal to the people, then that should be something problematic. That is also the doubt of the farmers. But the government is also ready to explain all details to the farmers. But the leaders of the farmers are not accepting the proposal of the government of India. Therefore, I appeal to all the farmers, they stop their agitation, discuss with the government, and government is also ready to help the farmers. And And another, I appeal to the KCR, the Chandrasekhar Rao, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana. He is also my good friend. When he was the Labour Minister in UPA government, at that time I was the Member of Parliament in Lok Sabha, and he knows me very well. He became the Chief Minister, first Chief Minister of Telangana state, and his party was started the big agitation for the Telangana state. And in one meeting on 11th December 2004, I attended the meeting in Hyderabad, and my party was supporting the Telangana state's demand to the KCR, to Honorable Chandrasekhar Rao, and now he became the Chief Minister of Telangana. I am also congratulate him, and but our demand is this: this government. There are many families are landless laborers in the state, and this government should distribute the land, the government land, which land is good for the agriculture, and every family, that family may be from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, or general category. In the village, those people who are staying and they are landless, the government should give the 5 acre land. If the government's land is there, they distribute the land. Otherwise, government should purchase the land, and 5 acre land government should give the every family. That is also our demand. Every family should be 5 acre land, and then the poverty should be come down, and therefore every family must have 5 acre land, and that is also I am appealing to the Honorable Chief Minister. They will give the 5 acre land to every family. They may be from any community, and the backlog of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and OBC, this government should be fulfill the reservation in the state government in the services. That is also our demand, and our another demand is this, as in Maharashtra, the Maratha community is demanding the reservation. The Maratha community is a Kshatriya community, and in the Telangana state, the Reddis are Kshatriya, no? Reddy, Kshatriya, as like as Maratha. हाँ, जो रेड्डी है तो ये रेड्डी भी सब मतलब क्षत्रिय है, तो इस समाज में भी जो इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड क्लास के लोग हैं तो उनको भी रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए। तो महाराष्ट्र में मराठा कम्युनिटी का बड़ा आंदोलन हो रहा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस है। तो जिस तरह महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने निर्णय लिया है उसी तरह ऑनरेबल चंद्रशेखर राव के गवर्नमेंट ने भी ऐसा निर्णय लेना चाहिए और रेड्डी कम्युनिटी को रिजर्वेशन देने का निर्णय करना चाहिए, ऐसा भी हमारा डिमांड है। हाँ, मतलब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का जो बजट होता है तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के बजट में 15% एससी का पॉपुलेशन है, तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की भी गाइडलाइन है कि एससी के पॉपुलेशन के मुताबिक, एसटी के पॉपुलेशन के मुताबिक एससी प्लान और ट्राइबल प्लान जो है ये उनके पॉपुलेशन के मुताबिक बजट में होना चाहिए। उसी तरह जो मैंने बोला अभी, लेकिन ये साल में जो कोरोना के कारण थोड़ा ज़्यादा खर्चा तो नहीं हो पाया है, लेकिन वो खर्चा नहीं भी होगा तो वो पैसा अगले साल में हम खर्चा कर सकते हैं, ऐसा उन्होंने बताया है अधिकारियों ने। मतलब अभी पूरा खर्चा इस साल में तो नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन इस साल में नहीं होता है तो नेक्स्ट साल में खर्चा करने का अधिकार वो डिपार्टमेंट को है, तो वो पैसा लैप्स नहीं होता है, अगले साल खर्चा किया जाता है। नॉट पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन, ओनली एजुकेशन एंड गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज। Government will examine what is the percentage. Our Brahmanand Reddy is saying that, and Brahmanand Reddy is the state president of RPI, and he is from general category. He is from Kshatriya community, and he is also the state president of RPI. There many communities are in RPI, not only the scheduled caste community, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, general category, minority, Muslims, and Christians also. So many communities are in the RPI. So RPI is not only the scheduled caste party, Dalit party. All communities are in RPI. So there is a problem that the categorization in Mala, Madiga or in another community, in all over India, near about 1264 castes are there in a scheduled caste community. Then this is the Madiga is also demanding the separate reservation. That demand is also very good demand, but there is a problem that if the every caste will demand a separate reservation, then that is also too difficult to distribute the reservation to every caste. That is something problem. And the Supreme Court is also not ready to accept this proposal, because the last time when Andhra was united, that time the government, Chandrababu Naidu's government was take the decision to give the separate reservation to Madigas. घेतलं होतं ना to Madigas, but that was not accepted by the Supreme Court. That is also something problem. But our feeling is this: Mala and Madiga, both castes are very strong castes in scheduled caste community, and Madiga should get their right. Therefore, maximum seats they should get. But the separate reservation, as in Maharashtra, Buddhist community and Mathang community. Then Mathang community is also demanding the separate reservation. But there is a problem that if the every caste will demand the separate reservation, then the distribution, that is something problem. But that caste should get the benefit of the reservation. That is also our feeling. Punjab farmers, I don't know that they are accepted, because the news are coming in the newspaper that all the leaders of the farmers, they are not ready to accept any point. नहीं वो तो अभी ऐसा है कि जो मतलब फाइनल डिसीजन जो होता है वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का होता है, और अभी 5 बेंच ने एक्सेप्ट किया, लेकिन दूसरे बेंच ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया। ऐसा कुछ ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे टेक्निकल मालूम नहीं है अभी, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उसको रिजेक्ट किया इतना मुझे मालूम है। तो अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट आदेश देता है तो उसके मुताबिक होगा। अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट विल बी सपोर्ट द कैटेगराइजेशन ऑफ दिस शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट कम्युनिटी, बट इन ओबीसी our government is also thinking the categorization, because the DNT community, DNTs are also many Gumantuka community, VJNT in Maharashtra and DNT in all over India, D in notified castes. And they are going from one village to another village, means they are wandering here and there. तो उस कास्ट के लिए अलग कैटेगराइजेशन करने के संबंध में बहुत सारी मांग है। तो उस पर हमारा मंत्रालय विचार कर रहा है कि ओबीसी में 27% जो रिजर्वेशन है उसमें कैटेगराइजेशन कर सकते हैं क्या, इसका स्टडी हमारा मंत्रालय कर रहा है, और कुछ दिनों में इसका निर्णय हो जाएगा। कैटेगराइजेशन ओबीसी में 27% रिजर्वेशन जो है उसमें उसका विचार चल रहा है कि इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं। तो डीएनटी के लिए अलग रिजर्वेशन का मांग है, तो उस पर मंत्रालय विचार कर रहा है। अरे चाय वगैरह है कि नहीं, क्या वो
जी सर किया
क्या
जब अंदर मीटिंग चल रही थी तो बाहर किया सब
किया गया? हाँ नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज गिवन द decision that the state government should take the decision. Supreme Court in the beginning they opposed the promotion in the reservation, But our feeling is this: Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has given the reservation to SC and STs, and that reservation was for all categories, class 1, 2, 3, 4, every category. And before that, the decision of the Supreme Court के पहले सबको रिजर्वेशन मिलता ही था, लेकिन बाद में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उसको मना किया। लेकिन बाद में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि राज्य को अधिकार है। और नाउ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज आल्सो थिंकिंग, behalf of my party, I am the one of the member in the cabinet, but behalf of my party, our demand is this: there should be the reservation in the promotion also, and the government of India should pass the law and give the reservation in the promotion to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. That is the demand from the Republican Party of India, and I will meet to the Honorable Prime Minister, and I will try to give the means there should be the Government of India's decision should be there to give the reservation in the promotion for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. That is our party's demand, and the government of India will pass the law. Then there is no problem. But the Supreme Court has given the advice, and therefore Honorable KCR, I appeal to the Honorable KCR. He should take the decision in the state to give the reservation to the SC/ST category, means reservation in promotion. अभी ऐसा रुका है, ऐसा नहीं। हमारी तरफ से जो स्कॉलरशिप होता है, my ministry is also giving all the scholarship to every state in time. But if there is something problem in Osmania University, definitely I will talk to the Vice Chancellor. And if there is any problem, then definitely our social justice department will help them. और उनको स्कॉलरशिप मिलना चाहिए। That Rohini commission is there. No. Our ministry has appointed the Honorable Rohini as the chairman of that committee, and that committee is also studying that how the categorization should be there, which caste should be in one category. As they are thinking that if the three part of this reservation, 9% means they are thinking that. Then after some time when the committee will give the report, the okay report, then government of India should take the decision. The bill should be there in the parliament. The discussion should be there, and then the decision will be okay. But now the committee is studying that. No, commission is studying this about the categorization, and if the committee will give the okay report, then our ministry will go in the cabinet. Then cabinet should take the decision. Then after the decision of the cabinet, the bill should go in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the bill will be passed. Then that will be okay.